Hello students, this is your English reader class and today we are going to continue the chapter 19 in Father's Presence. So students, in my last video I had explained Swaminathan sat in his father's room with a slate and pencil ready while father held the arithmetic book open. He dictated a sum and asked Swaminathan to solve it. He gazed at the sum and every time he read it, it seemed to acquire a new meaning. His mouth began to water at the thought of the mangoes and he asked his father if the mangoes were ripe. His father instructed him to do the sum first. Now let's see what happened the next. Now let's continue the reading this chapter. Swaminathan looked over the sum to find out which part of the sum contained an answer to this question. I don't know. You seem to be an extraordinary idiot. Now read the sum. Come on. How much does Rama expect for 10 mangoes? 15 annas, of course. Swaminathan thought, but how could that be its price? Just price? It was very well for Rama to expect it in his avarice, but was it the right price? If only he could get more light on this point. So students, avarice means greed. Okay? How much does Rama want for his mangoes? Father asked. 15 annas, replied Swaminathan without conviction. So students, conviction means a confident view. Okay? Very good. How many mangoes does Krishna want? Father asked. Swaminathan replied, 4. What is the price of 4? Again father asked Swaminathan, what is the price of 4 mangoes? Father seemed to delight in torturing him. Torturing whom? Torturing Swaminathan. Okay. How could he know what that fool Krishna would pay? Look here, boy, I have half a mind to thrash you. What have you in your head? 10 mangoes cost 15 annas. What is the price of 1? Means what is the price of, if 10 mangoes cost 15 annas, so what is the price of 1 mango? Come on, if you don't, say it. So student, thrash means to beat violently. Okay. His hand took Swaminathan's ear and gently twisted it. Fathers took Swaminathan's ear and gently twisted it. So students, twisted means to turn something. Okay. Swaminathan could not open his mouth because he could not decide whether the solution lay in the realm of addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. So students, realm means world. So he could not decide the solution comes by dividing, subtraction or multiplication or division. The longer he hesitated, the more violent the twist was becoming. Okay. So hesitated means paused before saying something and violent means involving the use of physical force. In the end, when father was waiting with call for an answer, he received only a squall from his son. So student, squall means an angry and squall means high-pitched cry. I am not going to leave you till tell me how much a single mango costs. At 15 annas for 10. Okay. What was the matter with father? Swaminathan kept blinking. Where was the urgency to know its price? Anyway, if father wanted so badly to know, instead of harassing him, let him go to the market and find it out. The whole brood of Ramas and Krishnas with their endless transactions with old quantities of mangoes and fractions of money were getting disgusting. So students, brood means family and transactions mean deal or business. Okay, and disgusting means strong indication. Father admitted defeat by declaring one mango cost 15 over 10 annas and simplify it. Okay, 15 over 10. Here he was being led to the most hideous reasons of arithmetic fractions. Give me the slate, father, I will find it out. He worked and found at the end of 15 minutes that the price of one mango is 3 over 2 annas. Okay, after dividing it. So students, hideous means fearful. Okay, he expected to be contradicted any moment, but father said very good and simplify it further. It was plain sailing. After that, Swaminathan announced at the end of half an hour's agony, Krishna must pay 6 annas and burst into tears. Okay, so students, plain sailing means easy. Okay.